Hello everyone and welcome to a new video, and today I'm going to show you how to find password of Gmail account. It's very easy and simple. All you have to do is to follow my steps, and before we begin, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe and turn on the notifications. So in this video we will use your browser in order to see your saved passwords, and this is how we can actually get your password, your Gmail password or any password that you have without having to do verification or without having to enter your phone number or Gmail or something like that. So now let's get started. Now, first thing you should do is to simply open the browser that you use frequently. So here in my case, it will be Microsoft Edge, but I will show you exactly how to do so using Microsoft Edge browser and also Chrome browser. So now after opening Microsoft Edge, you should now head to these three dots right here, then choose settings. And after choosing settings, it will show you here in the profile settings, you have Microsoft Wallet down below. You should now click on passwords. Then it will show you many applications or sites that you have signed in before, and you should now scroll down till you find google.com, and here it says that I have 21 accounts. So I'm gonna click on it, and here as you can see it shows me all of my emails that I have used before. And actually, if you want to show any one of the passwords of these things, you can simply click on this eye icon right here and it will reveal the password. And you can also go back and you can also see other applications that you want to see its password, and you can also go to this option, view leakage details, if you want to see the leaked passwords. So I'm going to tap on it. Then here as you can see it shows me many options, and what you should do also is to simply click on the eye icon right here in order to show you the password that you have created to this email. Now that was the method on Microsoft Edge. So now let's see the same steps on the Chrome browser. Now I have opened my Chrome browser. Then now I should click on these three dots right here, then go to settings, and after that will show you here on the left side you have this option right here, autofill and passwords. Tap on it and here it will show you the Google Password Manager. Click on it, and once you enter Password Manager here, you will see every password that you have used in order to get into any email that you have used on this browser. But here in my case, I do not use Chrome frequently, so it doesn't show me anything. And if you cannot even find it, you can simply search here for passwords and it will show you everything about the passwords in this browser. And that's all guys for today. I hope this video is useful to you all, and see you in a new video.